In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the search results title on the search page in Shopify Dawn theme. And for this example, let's change the color of the title to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on drop-down menu, then select Search. On the left side of the screen under Template, click on Search Results. Scroll down and then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the title. Let me right click on it, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select these two class selectors, H2 and Center, which are nested within the template-search_header class container. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period template dash search _header space period H2 period center. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Then make sure to copy the hex code including the hashtag. Then go back to the editor, paste it right here. And then add the semicolon at the end. Once you add this rule, click on Save. Now let's go back to the website. Let's go to Homepage. In the URL bar at the end of your domain name, add / followed by search. Then press enter. You'll get to the main search page. Now try typing something in search. As in my case, let's type lamp. And as you can see, the title is now displayed in red color. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.